Dito sa ano sa swimming pool.
Kumusta, ma'am? How are you? You know how to speak Bisaya? No? English. English only. A little bit. Okay. How are you? Are you enjoying? Are you enjoy? And you enjoy? This is your first time to come here at Cloudmore Rainforest? First time? This is yung kasabot? Unsay ni istoryahan kanang ma'am, ikaw ma'am first time ni pud nimo. So how is it feel? Unsay kumusta? Unsay feeling nimo? Unsay mga observation nimo ri sa sulod, ma'am? Inganyo. Ayan. Thank you so much, ma'am. Ma'am, pwede mo i-invite tanan nimo mga friends nga mo ani pa din sa Cloudmore. All your friends. Invite lang good. Wow, thank you. How about you, sir? Enjoy ka?
Yes, of course.
How about the zip line? You wanna try?
Okay lang. Pero
Mahadlok ka?
mahaba.
Okay.
Parang medyo matagal siya.
Pero how about the place, sir? Enjoy ka ng so much.
Mostly nature ang makita. Okay, very satisfying, very enjoying siya makita. This is only a one-time thing in life naman. And parang more on nature siya. So medyo maganda siya sa mga na-enjoy ako.
So how about the dinosaur? Na-enjoy ka? Nag-rides ka? Wow! So gusto ka mo, balik-balik pa?
Yes.
Wow. How about the swimming pool? Very nature siya and then wala siya kining chlorine. Very organic. Yeah. So, kung i-rate na to si Cloudmore Rainforest of 1 to 10 mga pila?
9.5.
Wow, thank you so much for the 9.5. Daghang kaayong salamat, sir. And then, please invite your all friends here.
Hi guys. Kung nasa Davao ron, try mo ani kay very enjoyable, very magkanyo kayo ma-experience din na
And then kay dili lang manggod siya kuan sir no kaning pang kid, pwede po siya pang adult. Katong wala na to na experience so nung panahon kami pareha sa mua karon ma-experience.
Ayan. Ingon man nila tito sa una wala pa daw yung anong zip.
Wala pa.
So ngayon lang.
Oo, meron. Ayan, thank you so much. God bless you. God bless. God bless.